Mealybugs invading your orchids? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are 4 easy and effective ways to get rid of them for good. Alcohol spray. Mix 250 milliliters of alcohol, water, and a bit of biodegradable cleaner. Spray it on your orchids at night, then rinse with warm water and lemon juice in the morning. Neem oil treatment. Mix neem oil with water in a spray bottle and coat your plant. This natural solution targets young mealybugs. Repeat every 10 days for 2 to 3 cycles for the best results. Diatomaceous earth. Lightly dust your orchid stems, leaves, and soil. This powder is deadly to insects, but safe for plants. Just be careful not to inhale it. Cold shock. If possible, lower the temperature to around 14 degrees Celsius, 57 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 days. Mealybugs hate the cold, and this trick helps reduce their numbers. Stay consistent, and your orchids will be mealybug-free in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.